Hey everyone, Chris from GamerTech Toronto, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Secure Boot on your ASUS motherboard, another requirement for Windows 11 and an important security feature for any PC. First, let's just talk about what is Secure Boot and what does it do? Well, Secure Boot ensures your PC only loads up trusted software during your startup, protecting you from malware or tampering. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is restart our computer. Once we're booting back up, spam that delete key until you're in the BIOS. By default, you should be in easy mode, so just press F7 on your keyboard to switch to the advanced mode. In the advanced tab, go to the boot tab and find Secure Boot. Set the OS type to Windows UEFI mode, then set Secure Boot to enabled. Once this is all done, press F10 on the keyboard to save and exit. Next, we got to go into Windows and verify these changes were made correctly. Let's go ahead and press the Windows key, then type in system information. You should see MSI Info 32 and look for Secure Boot state. It should say on, not off. If it says off or if Secure Boot is grayed out, make sure your drive is using UEFI and not legacy or CSM. And that's it. That's how you enable Secure Boot on any ASUS motherboard. You're now ready for Windows 11, so don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.